This video is directed to the Amplify Shader people, or the community, whoever has the answer. I bought this package for Unity because I wanted that. I want that field, okay? That's exactly what I want. Now, should be drag and drop like they all report in all their demos and all their advertisements. So what I do is I go and pull in my project, and I have a cylinder there that I have the standard cylinder mesh with multi-pass distortion. I hit run. That's what I get. Not the same. So I go one better. I take and get rid of the cylinder. I do a delete. I do a create. I pull in a sphere just like they used. I go down a sphere mesh. I go down here. I go default material. I change that to the multi-pass distortion. Let's move this guy into the game and do a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. Just keep it normal. Okay. I hit play. I get the minimal. I have no idea what's going on. You see these other two here. These are Unity spheres. These are my imported Wings 3D.obj files. The community hologram simple works. I made this shader from their math and logic video, copied the screen, copied the nodes, and it works, does exactly what I want. Put it over to my object, doesn't do it. I get it's really big, and all I do is get a flashing somewhere, like a dot in here somewhere. That's what it looks like. It looks like the shader scale is bigger than my object scale. That's my assumption from all the things that I've looked at so far. I've spent 2 days on this. It's getting old. So, to prove this sphere out, we will select it. We have it selected, and we go over here to my stuff. And look at that. Lo and behold, the shader that I made works from scratch. I'm very happy with that. But I don't want it on any other objects. I want it on my object. And I don't know whether it's the way Wings imports it or the way it's defined in Amplify Shader. Because look, it runs on this one, and this is an OBJ. Let's go find something that, even that one works. I'd really like to have that one. That was another reason why I brought the product. These two spherical fields that I want to play with. This is another problem that's popped up on the forums that nobody seems to be getting an answer to. This works in their demos, but you drag it over to your stuff and bingo, you get this sad-ass dot on your game. So, the water works, but it does strange things to your shape. See, very, very slightly, very slightly. Rim light, this is supposed to be happening through the whole sphere. It doesn't seem to do it. So, like I said, I have no idea what's going on. I've been through all the videos, all the demos, I've done all their scenes. I mean, that's what I was looking for. I was looking at their scenes going, oh, I like this one, I want to use that one, I want to use that one. These are what I saw in the demos, I want to use that. So, now I try to do it myself, and lo and behold, I don't get nothing. Okay, so that's that. But I really would like an answer to this, because this is a stupid waste of time. Let's be frank. It's a stupid waste of time. I bought this product. I like it. The demo that they showed going through the environment of all the game environments is a great demo. I'd wish they put that in their scenes so one could see what's going on there. But then again, it really won't matter because there's enough resources supplied and enough human time involved from the developer side, from our side, my side, the customer side, that we want to know where the headache is, how it can be solved. I'll go one better. That's mine right there. We go back into the meshes. We pick a different mesh. There. Sweet, huh? And it works. If I do this, I can rotate it. I'll change the direction of the field later. I've already modified that shader to do what I wanted to do, which got me renewed excitement that I'm going to get something done that I want to get done. Than just waste time, debugging someone else's junk. I got 40 years in the software industry. I've always taken pride in stuff that I wrote. Fully tested. I never wanted the customer to see any failures. In this graphical user interface world, everybody claims drag and drop as they throw it over the wall and they run away. And then it's in the user's responsibility to figure it out. Well, this is pretty sad. There's no figuring this out. I just want an answer. If I can see an answer to a repeatable fix or at least an idea to the problem, then I'm good to go. I can run off and fix it and do whatever I got to do. But to be left in the dark and struggle through a not fully tested product, I want to know what the hell's going on. Now, this development of this Amplify shader is so far in depth with the way it works, you can't tell me that you just walk away from this and throw this away, because they've done a lot of work into this, and I really want to know. Oh, and the shapes that come with the Amplify Unity scenes are FBXs. I refuse to use AutoCAD. I've seen too many issues where your license runs out, you can't get to your shapes. Hello, forget that. I don't need the headaches. I can do Wings, I can do Blender. Blender imports have their own set of problems. In other products also, but still. This is the one because it's so easy in these free, like Wings and Blender, to crank out an object compile, a complex object, bring it all over piece by piece, assign your stuff to it, and let it rip, and man, it's good to go. It works great. I want the same ease of functionality in doing that. Go over to Wings, make an object, pull it over, assign a shader to it, move on to my game development. I don't want to be spending my time working somebody else's issue and not getting paid for it. I'm getting paid to do somebody else's work, not the product's work. It should work. Anyway, that's what I have, and you can see the pretty extensive situation here that makes this work. If I do boop and I do this and I can do a save, and actually it doesn't really matter. I'll go back over to their demo with project. Like, this is another one that doesn't work. It works on their demo, but doesn't work on your parts. Unless, hang on here, hang on. Let's go do this again here. That's that sphere. We'll go back to the inspector. We'll pull the melting over. And we wait. We wait expensively to see if this thing melts. Which, as of this time, it does not. So, we go over to melting, which, oddly enough, this is a community project. Pull that scene up. I don't care to save that. I'm happy with that. Now watch. I hit play, and we wait. Lo and behold, it works in their demo. I didn't buy it to watch their demos. I bought this product to use it in my game and modeling demonstration function in my life, and I need this stuff to work. Now, I bought this Amplify shader because it was way more complex than I could actually create it myself. Saved me, man years worth of effort. In doing that, I need to move on with my project. And because I didn't write the Amplify shader, I'm pretty much lost as to what I need to do. I've even gone so far as to look at the difference between the simple hologram that does work, that AS editor node picture, and some of the other ones that don't work, and I can't tell the difference. I'm not that experienced in that. So if somebody's got an answer, I sure would appreciate it. I got 2 days into this, and I'm basically toast. And now I'm spending more energy trying to be civil and not use bad language and not condemn others because I want my stuff to work. I don't want a refund. If y'all can make these really, really sweet demos, then you obviously have a product that works. Figure this out, please, and let me know. I really don't care whose fault it is, whether it's yours or mine or whatever. As long as I have an answer, I can move on. Thank you, and have a nice day, 2 days, another week till I get an answer. I don't know.